Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? Say goodbye to technical skills and hello to effortless video creation.
Spend more time with your loved ones, enjoy life, and leave the stress behind. No more being tied to endless tasks. Everything gets done automatically. Say goodbye to outdated tools and step into the new AI era. Live smarter, live longer. Kling is the king of effortless innovation.
I'm a content creator, and I can finally focus on my ideas, not the editing.
I'm a business owner, and Kling AI has saved me so much time.
Unlock your creativity today. Visit klingai.com and get started.
Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create an ad video with AI. Stop wasting time filming complex scenes or hiring expensive freelancers. You can do it all by yourself without being a skilled video editor. Let's get started. First, create images. Search for tensor.art on your browser and click to open it. Once you're on the home page, search for Flux Pulid and select Flux Pulid KLIG. Click here to change the model. Select Flux Pro Editor's Edition. Here you can select the resolution you want. You can select the number of images you want to generate with your prompt and choose the best one. You need to upload your reference image 3 times. Write your prompt, click Go, and review the result. If it's not good, tweak it and choose the best one. I have created some images based on my visual plan, but I will definitely need more as I continue editing. Now, generate video clips using the images. Search for Kling in your browser. Click here. Log in with your Google account. Click on AI Videos. Then click on Image to Video. Insert the image and write your prompt, then click on Generate. The full prompt guide is in the comment section at the top. There's also the Call Motion brush, which gives us more control over the object's movement. Now the video clips are generated. You can use any editing software, but here I'll use After Effects. It doesn't really matter since almost all the work is done by AI. I created the voiceover with 11 labs, and in After Effects, I've added text animation. You can do this with After Effects or any other editing software. In the video, I'll replace the computer screen with my own screen to make it look like the guy is actually using Kling. I screen record the Kling interface and in After Effects, go to Tracker, Track Motion, and replace the screen. It's very easy. All these clips were generated by Kling. I put them together and replaced the guy's computer screen to make it look like he's using Kling. I screen record this page from the Kling community. Now I will create another image. We will generate a video with this image in Kling. This doesn't look so good, so let's try it without the motion brush in this case. Great, this looks better. Again, we will create another image. You can also upscale the image with AI. I will generate the video again using the image. Now we will add these video clips to our Kling ad video in After Effects.
Spend more time with your loved ones, enjoy life, and leave the stress behind.
We will create another image again, and then upscale the image. Now the prompt is, the man is talking as we will do lip syncing. Generate the video again. Now we will do lip syncing. Click on lip sync. You can enter your text and select the voice you want. But here I already have a voiceover made with 11 labs, so I will be using it.
No more being tied to endless tasks. Everything gets done automatically. Say no more being tied to endless tasks. Everything gets done.
Download the video clip and import it into After Effects.
No more being tied to endless tasks. Spend more time with your loved ones, enjoy life, and leave the stress behind.
We will create one more image. Again, let's generate the video. We will do one more lip syncing.
Say goodbye to outdated tools and step into the new AI era. Say goodbye to outdated tools and step into the new AI era.
Back to After Effects. Search for Shatter. If you're using the FX Console plugin, press Ctrl plus space on Windows or Command plus space on Mac and search for Shatter. If you're not using this plugin, you can find it in Effects and Presets. Follow the steps as I do. Download the video in Kling and import it into After Effects. And put it below the video layer we used shatter on, so when it breaks, our video will be revealed.
Say goodbye to out.
Click on the layer and hit T for opacity. Adjust the opacity from 100 to 0 so it gradually disappears. Press S on the video clip and scale it up so it fits the whole screen.
Say goodbye to outdated tools and step into the new AI era.
Import the video clip we generated with Kling again.
Live smarter, live longer. Kling is the king of effortless innovation.
I think we can speed it up a little bit.
Kling is the king of effortless innovation.
Now we will create an image with Glyph. And then we will generate the image into a video and import it into After Effects.
Smarter, live longer. Kling is the king of effortless innovation.
We will create another image. Now generate a video with the image and do lip sync.
I'm a content creator, and I can finally focus on my ideas, not the editing. I'm a content creator, and I can finally focus on my ideas, not the editing.
Again, import it into After Effects.
I'm a content creator. I'm a content creator, and I can finally focus on my ideas, not the editing.
Now we will create an image of a business owner. We have generated the video and done lip sync.
I'm a business owner and Kling AI has saved me so much time.
Again, import it into After Effects.
I'm a business owner and Kling AI has saved me so much time.
Create an image with the text. Sign up today at klingai.com. Import the image into After Effects. Search for shatter and apply it to the image layer. Now add the voiceover. After applying shatter and adjusting the layer length, right-click the clip, go to Time, and select Time Reverse Layer.
Unlock your creativity today. Visit klingai.com and get started.
I'm a business owner and Kling AI has saved me so much time.
Unlock your creativity today. Visit klingai.com and get started.
I would like to highlight klingai.com in the image. Click on the layer and mask it out. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. On the layer below, press M and delete the mask. Apply tint to the top layer and change the color. I want to use this color to match the Kling interface. Click on the top layer, press M to open the mask properties, go to the mask path and create a keyframe. I've added transitions and text animations using plugins and presets, which you'll need to purchase if you're using After Effects. However, you can create these on your own. Whether you're using After Effects or any other software, you don't have to follow exactly what I did. Feel free to add your own creativity and make it even better. Any video editing software will work, but our main focus here is on creating an ad video with AI. The software you use doesn't matter. You can do a lot better with your own creative touch. Before you start, make sure to plan out your script and visuals ahead of time. Once you begin creating, you can always add more or make changes to improve it.
Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? Say goodbye to technical skill.
But here, let me show you an example of creating text animations for those using After Effects. Press Ctrl+T or click here to enter your texts. I will paste my text. Duplicate the text layers and adjust them into 3 layers. Press P for position and create keyframes. Select the keyframes and press F9 for easy ease to make the animation smooth. I also applied Deep Glow, which is an After Effects plugin.
Say goodbye to technical skills and hello to
I have created a background and want to replace the current one, as I think the other looks better.
Are you tired of spending hours at
2,000 years later.
Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? Say goodbye to technical skills and hello to effortless video creation.
Spend more time with your loved ones, enjoy life, and leave the stress behind. No more being tied to endless tasks. Everything gets done automatically. Say goodbye to outdated tools and step into the new AI era. Live smarter, live longer. Kling is the king of effortless innovation.
I'm a content creator, and I can finally focus on my ideas, not the editing.
I'm a business owner, and Kling AI has saved me so much time.
Unlock your creativity today. Visit klingai.com and get started.
Let's recap our video creation process. 1. Script creation. Write a script that aligns with the ad's message and purpose. 2. Visual planning. Plan visual elements like scenes, backgrounds, characters, and effects. 3. Image generation with AI. Use TensorArt and Glyph to generate images based on planned visuals. 4. Video creation with AI. Use Kling AI to generate the video. 5. Transitions. Add smooth transitions between scenes for a cohesive flow. 6. Text animations. Implement text animations to highlight key information. 7. Sound effects. Add sound effects. 8. Effects. Apply effects for a polished, professional look. 9. Final touches. Adjust timing, refine transitions, and align with the script's pacing. 10. Review and adjust. Review the final video and make necessary tweaks before finalizing. If you need an ad video for your business or client, check the video description to contact me. Your ad will be ready in no time. For more editing tips and tutorials, join our YouTube channel membership today.